welcome everybody. We're so excited to have you here. And what I'm going to do right now to start this off is actually introduce Hassan. A lot of you, probably everybody on this call knows Hassan Mahmoud. He's been a friend of mine for several years. And the thing about Hassan, if you don't know him, this guy has a heart of gold. His mission has always been about helping people. And that's the reason that I think we've all decided to align with Hassan, because we know what this man's about. We know what he's capable. And I'm just so thankful that Hassan had the foresight and had the vision to prepare what we have tonight. So welcome everybody. And Hassan, if you're on there, I know you're going to get into showing everybody the products. Will you get on and just show everybody what we have here?
Excellent. Thank you so much, buddy. I'm honored to be here. I'm honored that you're on here with us, representing all of us. Guys, like Adam said, we started this mission to help as many people as possible. And we're excited today to show you some really cool visuals of where we're going in the future, where we're at right now, and what the next few months are going to look like. So, really quick about myself, I'm not gonna get too much into it because we know a lot of you on this call. Thank you so much for all of you donating your time this evening, this afternoon, this morning, wherever you're at. I truly believe that you are going to see something tonight that is special. This is the biggest thing that I've ever seen myself as an entrepreneur for over 10 years. And I have to say, it's pretty innovative, and we're going to really change lives and shake the world. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys today some results from real expert advisors, okay? Now, really quickly, we have to say this disclaimer. Results are not typical. This is for illustration purposes only. It's possible for you to experience loss and no profit, okay? That's just the truth. And we're going to show you everything up until this point. We make no guarantees. I just want to make that very, very clearly. We all know that in the world of trading. So the first one we're going to speak about today is the Currency Ring Expert Advisor. This thing is unbelievable, guys. When I saw this, I was completely blown away. It was through a mutual friend that had access to it. There's some high-end traders, and this thing was only used on private markets, on multi-million-dollar funds. This is the first time ever, let me say it one more time, this is the first time ever it is going to be accessible for individual retail traders. So get excited. That is unbelievable. Okay, it's going to be exclusive to us. This EA, okay, Expert Advisor Design, was originally designed for large account sizes, starting at least $10,000 up to any account size. Now, they've really tweaked this thing and allowed it to get it down to about $1,000. So they designed this to be used on $1,000 accounts on more of the aggressive setting. It is unbelievable, okay? Give you a little details about it. Less drawdown, more profit, and it's gonna run on smaller accounts. We're very, very excited. And for you to get optimal results, this thing is designed to get the best optimal results on a private liquidity A-book feed. Most people can never have access to an A-book feed if any of you are familiar with trading, and we are going to have that access among multiple brokers. So it's very, very, very exciting. Okay, there's three versions of the Expert Advisor. There's a conservative setting, there's a medium setting, and there's an aggressive setting. So you can choose what you like and where you want to go with it, okay? Now, to understand the currency ring, it's really important so that we can get a good visual in your head before we launch this thing into the beta rounds and everyone can test it out. It's going to be incredible, okay? So you're going to take three currency pairs, combine them, and they rotate just like a wheel. A great example is AUD JPY, USD JPY, and AUD USD. As one of the pairs is in drawdown, two of them are in profit. Or two are in drawdown, one is in profit. So it creates a very powerful counter trade system, okay? And it's unbelievable, it's counterintuitive, okay? So conservative settings, you can run one ring. On medium settings, you can run one ring with a higher lot size. With aggressive settings, you can run two currency rings on a conservative lot size. On the charts, you're gonna have the ability to a 4-hour time frame or 1 day time frame, okay? We're not looking for immediate execution with this. The way the ring works, it looks for an optimal trade. It's scanning the markets with its AI and looking for an optimal trade, okay? The banks trade minimum on 4-hour charts and daily charts. So that's just showing you how powerful the ring is and where the coding, where the experience is coming from, okay? You're going to have the ability to trade like a professional bank, okay? Where else can you get that? Now, the trend accuracy on a chart 4-hour or higher is 90% accurate. Okay, we're talking about how I was looking for that best execution. It's 90% accurate on a 4-hour time frame or higher. And only run software through Sunday, Wednesday. Sunday is the best day. Thursday and Friday are the biggest drawdown days. So when we do release these to you guys, we're gonna give you some education on it. It's gonna be like nothing you have ever seen before, and you're gonna feel really taken care of on how to use your tool. Now, big news events are usually between Wednesday and Friday, trying to trap people to stay in trades over the weekend, okay? We don't wanna do that. Now, here's an account size on a 1-week result, 22.3% profit on a $1,000 account size. The drawdown was 3.64%. This is obviously a MyFX book. For those of you that know what a MyFX book, here's a MyFX book. The drawdown was 3.6%. And anything with EAs, I've been told and what we've researched, anything under a 10% drawdown is unbelievable. So that's 3.64, okay? And this was an aggressive setting. And you remember, you control this. You have full control over your settings, okay? So you can see here again, 22%. And you can see the date, it's pretty extraordinary. We don't want to show you the hype today, all right? We just want to show you guys real proof, and we're gonna be really, really excited and looking forward to letting you guys see your own results through this rollout. So this is a larger account, 1 week. This is medium settings, 9.5% profit, 1.4% drawdown. And again, my favorite part, settings you have full control over, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is another $1,000 account size. This is over a 1-week result, 16.2% profit, 1.9% drawdown. It's unbelievable. It's really, really neat. It's looking for that and that powerful, accurate execution while protecting your money, right? We all want to protect our money. That's the most important thing. How do you mitigate that loss? And it's unbelievable. And again, you get to set your own control. Here's another account, 1 week of profit on a conservative one. This account originally started with $26,000. And as you can see on the top, it's a live account. These are not demo accounts. These are live accounts. Very, very important. The profit on this account was $1,822 in 1 week. So that's a pretty extraordinary return on a $26,000 account. And you can see the pairs, the buys, the sells, the time they close out. So it's very exciting. Here's another account, 1 week of profit. Same thing, conservative, right? Because some people have different styles. Original deposit of $7,000. The profit on it was $235. Here's another account on 1 month of profit. It was conservative, an original deposit of $44,000. They profited $8,378. So you can see the results, right? It's pretty extraordinary. Here's another account, 1 week of profit, conservative. They originally deposited $7,000 and they profited $222. Here's another account, 1 week of profit on more of an aggressive setting. They originally deposited $1,000 and it profited $160. So you can see from conservative to aggressive, this thing works some magic. Here's another EA that we're currently testing at the moment. Okay, there's the first month, demo 1 month of profit, high risk. The original deposit was $10,000. The profit on it was $9,829. So this is a very high risk setting. This is a new EA that we are testing. Once it gets out of the demo testing, we will run it through a beta test on live accounts. And then if we think that it is ready, we will roll it out to you guys as well.